Let us look at how we can build color cert jobs very efficiently. It's easy to get bogged down into the details of building a rule and then building a profile, and it may seem like a monumental task to build a color cert job. The reality is that there is some upfront work that we need to do when setting up your system. But this is a one-time event. Once this is done, the process of building jobs will go very quickly, especially when we take advantage of some of the efficiency tools that we have, such as the Job Wizard. The Job Wizard uses pre-configured templates, allowing us to drag images into our job. We can copy and paste metadata from any file that will allow us to copy data to our clipboard. For example, you may have data exported from your MIS system. I will show you this today. Have I set things up here before doing this demonstration? Yes, obviously I have. However, if you are going to sit down and build jobs, you should get yourself prepared as well. You will want to make sure that you've got your metadata handy, that you know what jobs you're going to be building. If you're including images, you will want to have your images ready. This is only going to help you be more efficient. So what I'm showing here today should be standard work. The job that I am setting up is for this item, Super Crunchy Blueberry Granola. This is a 7-color process job with Pantone 7683C as a separate spot color. We are going to print this item on a sheet-fed offset press using recycled carton board with standard inks. We will therefore be using a Pantone Live dependent library that reflects this print condition. I launch Color Cert, which opens to Pressroom Tools. I click the ellipsis button and then click Job Setup Wizard. I click the ellipsis button on this window to display available templates. I choose my 7-color process with spot colors template. Because we only have one spot color and the template has placeholders for 2, I click the minus sign to delete one of these. I then click the drop-down arrow next to the remaining placeholder to open the pick list. As I said, this will be a Pantone Live color, so I select the Load from Pantone Live option. This window opens to the last library used, which was the Pantone Live Master Coded library. So I select the Carton Offset Recycled Carton Board library from the drop-down list. As this color is Pantone 7683, I enter 7683 into the search field. I then double-click P7683C LPEB to add it to our job. We can then click the Continue button. At this window, we need to enter our metadata. Since I have this exported to a spreadsheet, I will open the spreadsheet and copy the data for this item. I then simply click the Paste from Clipboard button to add the information. I select our print process from the drop-down list. I will then click the Load File button to add our image. I navigate to the image and select it. I click the Continue button, and finally, I click the Save button, and we are finished. If we are doing this on press, we could immediately start measuring production samples. If we are building jobs to be run later, we can close this job and launch the wizard again if we have more jobs to build.